Before you is an ultraviolet lamp of our production, designed to replace the WDKO NLR1536 lamp of germicidal UV mils. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz lamp. Labeling options are listed on her page on the website. Features lamps, 2 ceramic bases with 4 bins on one side. The power is 15 watts. Operating current is 0.35 A. The current emission power is 6 W. Dimensions. The length of the lamp is 420 mm. Arc length 360 mm. The diameter of the tube is 50 mm. The diameter of the plinth is 90 mm. The service life is 16,000 hours. You can see all technical parameters in the lamp passport. Each bulb is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with a complement of soft protection inside. We guarantee safety on delivery and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all types of bactericidal installations. Lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, seals and connect. On the inner surface of all our lamps is brought a special compound, EV Life Power Plus, developed by our engineers. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating the quartz glass, prolonging the effective life of the lamp. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.